Hey guys, welcome to Lights and Buttons, and in today's video we will be talking about ceramic coating sprays, specifically the types that you can apply to your car right at home. And the two that I have over here are the Hydrosilex Recharge, which I've been using for quite a while now, and then here, which I believe is a newer product, is from Turtle Wax, and it's part of the Hybrid Solutions line, and this is the ceramic coating spray from them. Now, I did not know this existed until I saw the review from the Project Farm channel, so I'll put a link to that if you're interested in looking at their comparison. But I wanted to see a head-to-head bake-off between the Hydrosilex Recharge that I've been using and the Turtle Wax ceramic coating spray. Now, the Turtle Wax ceramic coating spray is a lot cheaper if you compare the same size. So this is a 32-ounce bottle, but if you compare a 16-ounce bottle, this is less than half the price of the Hydrosilex Recharge, and they also claim that it will last up to a year versus the advertised 6 months, I believe, for the Hydrosilex Recharge. So, which one is better? We'll be finding out in a multi-part answer, and the first part being in this video with a shorter term test. I'll be applying the Turtle Wax ceramic coating spray to one half of the car, and then the Hydrosilex ceramic coating spray to the other half of the car, and then we'll be doing a head-to-head comparison on the hydrophobic properties for each product. Now, after that, we'll be doing a longer term test. I'll drive the car throughout this winter, and then after several months, when the car has been hit with the snow, salt, and multiple car washes, we'll see how both of these products hold up, and then we'll do a side-by-side comparison in the spring. After I got the car into position, basically allowing the power washer to reach, in my case, my spigot is located in the back of the garage, so I have to move the car pretty close for it to reach, and I just did a basic wash. I got out the foam gun, did my thing, but I didn't do any sort of paint correction, so you might see some swirl marks, light scratches, and even rock chips due to time constraints, so we'll ignore the paint condition for this test. According to Turtle Wax, if you want this to last up to a year, you would apply the spray with 2 coats on it instead of just 1. But for me, I normally do this in the fall and the spring, so I think 1 coat might be enough. For the trunk, I did do 2 coats of each product, and for the rest of the car, I only did 1. So I guess we'll find out if there's a noticeable difference. I turned off the power washer, removed the nozzle, and did a couple of tests. First, I sprayed the water on before applying the 2 ceramic coating sprays. Notice how the water runs off. Hydrosilex was applied to the driver's side of the car, and the Turtle Wax spray was applied to the passenger side half of the car. Then, I sprayed the car again after waiting about 20 minutes. Notice this time how differently the water runs off. The results here are very interesting. It looks like the Turtle Wax side yields more water beading compared to the Hydrosilex side. For the following day, we had some rain, so this naturally provided yet another test after some additional time have passed. What's even more surprising to me is that now both sides look very similar in terms of the water beading up. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be posting the part 2 of this video when it's ready. It'll be in the links below as well as at the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as always, and I'll see you in the next video.